Carrot oil, not a very common type of oil product in the market. However, carrot oil has a lot of benefits to your health, especially for those who are struggling with skin issue. Stick around, because today we're uncovering 5 shocking benefits of carrot oil that will blow your mind. Benefit number 1. Carrot oil is a natural skin rejuvenator. Packed with beta-carotene and vitamins A and E, it helps repair damaged skin, reduce wrinkles, and improve skin elasticity. It's like a mini anti-aging secret in a bottle. Next up, benefit number 2. Say goodbye to dry scalp and brittle hair. Carrot oil is an excellent moisturizer that promotes hair growth, strengthens roots, and adds a natural shine. Your hair deserves that healthy glow. Benefit number 3 might surprise you. It supports your vision. Carrot oil is rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy eyes and reducing the risk of vision-related issues. Moving on to benefit number 4. Carrot oil is a powerful antioxidant. It protects your skin and body from free radicals, which can cause aging and cell damage. Incorporating carrot oil into your routine can keep you looking and feeling younger. And finally, benefit number 5. It acts as a natural sunscreen. While it's not a complete substitute for SPF, carrot oil provides mild protection against harmful UV rays and helps repair sun-damaged skin. So there you have it, 5 incredible benefits of carrot oil you probably never knew existed. Ready to give it a try? Let us know in the comments if you already use carrot oil or plan to after this video. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more similar video.